Hey Jen, I'm going to give you your feedback orally this week because I sliced off the tip of my finger. So I'm having a little hard time typing. So right now I'm a little hobbled. So I'm just going to try this instead. So looking at your tutoring sheet, I see that you have a number of fluency passages. I assume you're just going to use one of those. So I'm kind of not confused. You don't have to clarify this, but you also seem to have a range, from 2.6 all the way up to grade 4. So I'm going to assume that maybe every week or you're working through these and kind of tracking her progress. Maybe that's why you have them all. Your word study looks good. You're kind of sticking with vocabulary. It sounds like with rereading familiar text, you're doing some background knowledge here, what she knows about honey or birds. I assume that's in the chapter, so kind of building that background knowledge. Questioning, I see there, and making predictions, which are really good pre-reading strategies. I like that you have Haley using the word decoding strategies as she's reading, and then maybe a summary, even if that's like a 5-finger summary. And it looks like you're working on writing. So all over, this seems like a nice tight lesson that builds from your previous lessons. Maybe you can hear my children just walk down the stairs and they're being very loud. So I apologize, and I will see you on Tuesday.